Excuse me, can I help you?
Huh?
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yeah.
Why are you taking that stuff off my
Normal.
porch?
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Really had to chase a motherfucker down behind my packages, bro.
Don't forget to lock these bikes up, especially this season. That's a porch pirate's favorite mode of transportation.
I'm just looking. I'm not getting nothing. I'm just looking.
No, don't do that. Go your way.
Okay, all right.
Not exactly sure why this person would leave all these boxes on their porch, but it definitely wasn't a good idea.
You at the wrong house. You at the wrong house.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Huh?
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yeah.
Why are you taking that stuff off my
Normal.
porch?
Tax season is around the corner. Be careful with these thieves around your mailbox.
No.
They're trying to steal your personal information.
Hello? Yes, sir. Hi. I came up here because my mail was in here.
Cops, get the fuck out of my drive.
Amazon people, they put zero effort into hiding packages, so I'm gonna do it for him. Put it. What crap is it? I put it. Oh, sorry. I'm putting it right here. Right here. Where the chair's off. I'm putting it under the chair.
They broke our door. They broke our door. Excuse me, you live here? Yes, I do. That's yours? Yes, it is. You need it's I'm a grown ass woman. But put it there. That's your name. Put it there. Sexual harassment. Ain't nothing wrong. No.
Don't forget about your other delivery options: P.O. boxes, delivery to your job, and also pickup locations, just in case these thieves happen to target you.
Who is it? Sorry?
Make sure you keep those doors locked. We got an elderly woman checking doors. Not sure why.
What are you doing in my door? Viste, esta tipa estaba abriendo la puerta mía. You saw her just now. She's doing like that in my door. What are you doing? A person? No, somebody. A lady. What are you doing in my door?
She was downstairs too. I don't know where
Stuff like this definitely needs to be locked down.
Venga acá. Se robaron algo.
You grab the wrist. Show.
Not sure what's up with these thieves stealing shoes. Very strange activity.
Sorry.
As always, I appreciate all the love that's given. Happy holidays. Please be safe out there. Check this guy out. Pretty much goes to work on this yard.